welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to unpack and review 194 Storm Mini Portable USB Hand Fan. So let's begin. This is the box that we received. Well, this is a Chinese product, as you can see the specifications written in Chinese and English. Now let's check out the product itself.
Inside the box, we get a hand fan, a USB charger cable, and a stand for the fan. I have to mention that the micro USB cable is really short and is not of good quality. Now, for the fan. The handheld fan has 3 adjustable speeds which can be switched easily by pressing the button. The fan is made of plastic and is of good quality too. Here the company also claims that it produces strong airflow up to 5,800 revolutions per minute at high speed. Now for the battery. It has a 1200 mAh lithium battery, but I do want to find out if it works fine directly with a power bank, in case if the battery wears out. So let's find out. And you can see for yourself that it does work fine too, so no worries there. I got this product for Rs 332 from Amazon. And I do recommend this product at this price, as I have been using this product for a month now since I recorded this video and it still works fine. The only complaint is the USB cable started wearing out. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing our channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.